So we are continuing with the ecosystem. Now we're going to review a few concepts like types of living things. We said we have producers, they produce the food. Consumers, they consume the food, they eat the food. And decomposers, they decompose other living things. Then we said we have three types of animals. Herbivores, they eat only plants. Carnivores, they eat only other animals. And omnivores, they eat both plants and animals. Then we discussed the food chain. We said, for example, we're starting with the tree, which is the producer. That deer is going to eat from the producer, which is the tree. The deer is the consumer. Then another consumer, which is the lion, is going to eat the deer. So we said this is a food chain. Again, now we have something called food web. From the food web, we're going to derive the food chain. So we are always beginning with over here, which is the producer. So which is the grass. So which animal going to follow the arrow? So we're following the arrow. So the rabbit eats the grass. Then we're going to follow the arrow and the fox eats the rabbit. Again, another example. We have the grass, which is the producer. The insect eats the grass. Then the frog is going to eat the insect. We're following the arrow. Then the hawk is going to eat the frog. Another example, but from an aquatic ecosystem. So we have the water weed. Okay, again, so we're going to follow the arrow. The slug is going to eat the water weed. Then the turtle is going to eat the slug. Another example. So another example, let's begin. We're starting, for example, with the mangoes. Okay, here is the mango. So the fruit fly eats the mango. Then the thrush is going to eat the fruit fly. Then the eagle is going to eat the thrush. So this is the food chain. This is the food web. This is the food chain. Again, we have mangoes being eaten by the fruit fly. Then the thrush eats the fruit fly. Then the eagle is on to eat the thrush. Another example, corn. Let's begin with the corn. Here's the corn. The corn is going to be eaten by the grasshopper. Then the rat is going to eat the grasshopper. Then the python is going to eat the rat. Then the eagle is going to eat the python. So we have a food web. We have a food chain. We can derive this food chain from this food web. Thank you.